Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. I picked this up at the Costco. Regular price is $39.99 and then it was $10 off. So it come out down to be $29.99 plus tax. So this is the Sun Force solar power. It has a triple heads solar motion activated light. And this one has 180 LEDs, 1500 lumens. As you can see, this is the solar panel, and then that's a motion detect. That is the UPC code. Let me turn out the lights. I'm not sure why the lights on. So let me give you guys a 360 view at the box real quick, okay? It says motion detection. It has a lighting timer. This is weather resistant, made in China. So the 3 lamps head allow for maximum lighting coverage, and you could also adjust like a downward, horizontal, or upward. The only problem I have is I'm not sure if these are the cheap LED light bulbs or what, because I have similar like this for the flashlight, and then they didn't last too long. So the solar panel charges the included battery during the day, and then motion light operate at night. So it has 60 LEDs per lamp head. So 60 times 3, you got 180. Weather resistant again, and then a solar panel with a 4.5 meter or 15 feet wire. Time and detection distance setting. And adjustable side lamp heads for optimal illumination. Include 3 AA rechargeable battery. Ooh. So the only problem is this only come with 3 of the AA. So I'm not sure how long this is gonna last. I mean the lifetime of the battery. Adjustable motion sensor with 180-degree detection zone of over 9.1 meter or 30 feet. And this is the included mounting hardware. No assembly required. Yeah, so there are the 2 problems I have with this unit is I'm not sure about the battery, how long it's gonna last. I know the rechargeable battery lasts pretty long, but and then another problem I have is with the LED light bulbs. So out of the package come with the instruction, and I guess mounting screw, and then the wall plug. So there's like a mounting bracket template, so you can put it on your wall or whatever where you want to mount it at, and there's your screw hole right there. Make it easier for you guys. Oh, there's another template right here. I'm not sure whether they have two. So it's the same template. So those two are the mounting screw right there. So I'm not sure the 3 rechargeable battery, that's what, 1.2 volt time 3. So, what? 3.6 volt, that's it? Unless it's consumer low energy. So it allows you to set 30 second, 60 second, or 120 second. And the distance is low, medium, or high. And then there's an on and off switch or auto. Let's see. Prior to using your solar motion light, the solar panel needs to be connected to the light for a period of 3 days. This initial charge should be done in the off position. So you gotta turn it off while you try to charge it, so it doesn't, I guess, doesn't trigger the light to come on or whatever. After 3 days, your included batteries will be fully charged, and your solar motion light is ready for operation. Place the light in the auto position. The on position acts to override the motion activation function. This will allow a limited period of constant illumination. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this. So here are the mounting, the wall plug, and then the mounting screws. Okay. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this is the solar panel right here. And there is your mounting holes for your solar panel. So I guess you're gonna unscrew this so you could tilt. Okay. Because you can see the gear right there, allow you to adjust one click at a time. But you gotta loosen those 2 screws, Phillips screws right there. And then come with this plug. And then let's go check out this one. So I guess the batteries in here, it says made in China. Oh, so these are the pretty nice LED one. I thought it was those are cheap round bulb LED that does not last too long. So you could adjust this way, or tilt it up, or down. Or down doesn't allow you to adjust too much. So it up, pretty high up there. So there are 2 knobs right here for you to adjust super tight. Okay. So this is what it look like if you facing all three forward. So I should test this out, how bright this thing is and stuff. So, and those two are the mounting screw that goes in there. And here is the motion sensor right here. So you tilt it this way or that way. So this is the on and off switch. Right now it's off position. Oh, wow, super bright. So it is charged already. And then in the middle section it's off. And then motion detect is auto right here. Let me turn it off for now. And right here is where you set the timer right here. It says reset. And then one click to the left. Let's see. If you click to the left, after the reset, it's 30 seconds. So sensitive. So anyway, it is 120 seconds, 60 seconds, and then 30 seconds, and then reset. So I'm going to set at 30 seconds, and then the distance, I guess low, medium, or high. So if I switch it on, let's count 30 seconds, see if this thing is going to turn off. Well, I better cover the motion sensor so if I move around. Oh. What? Oh yeah, anyway, so right now it's daytime anyway, it's not going to turn on. So it doesn't matter if I cover right now. So, and then here is the plug. Let me turn it off. Here's a plug. It says negative is on the outside, and then the positive is in the middle section. So, okay. That's where you plug it in at, and you can charge it right now. And then during nighttime, you can just turn it on. All right, no power needed. But I wonder how long is the light is going to last on the 3 of those AAA batteries. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification, guys. So whenever I drop new latest video, you can check them out instantly. All right. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.